Misty down here. Let's go through there.
Coming to the main bar area, which is actually starting today. Jill Chinnery has been on Radio Air Show and on BBC Essex for many, many years, and she's still here. Jill, I can't believe it. Let's have you been part of this crowd?
24 years.
20, that's almost as long as the air show's been happening.
Yeah, that's right.
And you're a pretty good bowler, although you've had a bit of ill health lately, but you're coming back to the sport, aren't you?
Yes, I can't just leave it. I've got to try again.
You're going to have another go, and today you're running the Tom Bowler.
Yes, that's right.
So what is it? How it goes?
Pound for 4 tickets.
And I've just looked at the prizes. There's lots of other bric-a-brac, bits and pieces, cuddly toys, and this side of the tombola, we've got some fantastic food. Now, what was it you used to make, Jill? What was your speciality?
I used to make a fruit loaf that you used to like.
I used to love your fruit loaf. Have you made it again this year?
I have, but I think it's I've all got yesterday.
You see, this is the problem. Once you have a reputation, we're doing something nice. It's all about bowling here, and at the moment the bowl screen's behind it closed off because we don't want people running around and they're pressing ball.
Bringing the team around to the left is red one, that's Money the Tom Bowl. He's in his third and final year on the team. He was also in the team between 2014 and 16 where he was the super leader. Tom has flown the Typhoon on operations in the former qualified as well as the Takano, where he was the Takano display pilot in 2010. As they come round to the left, the smoke comes on for the 8 arrows again. Keep your eye on the team for dynamic shape change. As red 7 and 8 perform a rollback and change the shape from 8 arrow into Dixon. Red 1 brings the team around to the right. You can see all 8 aircraft in Dixon formation. Of course, we would normally be a 9 ship with 9 at the back, and we've been on grey box diamond 9 formation. However, we are only 8 this year. That's because we consistently only train 3 new pilots each year safely and with the correct level of supervision, and the Masters simply didn't work out to go to a 9. However, next year it's our 60th anniversary of existence. Therefore, we'll be aiming to be back to our diamond 9 formation as we come around the right. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your cameras ready for the picture. Roll!
Look, up there.
As As the team rolls to the left on the right-hand side of red 1 is red 2. That's Flight Lieutenant Rich Walker. Rich is in his first year on the team. He's a very experienced aviator and pilot. He's flown operations on both the Harrier and the Typhoon. And he's also a former qualified flying instructor on the Hawk Team Mark 2. As you can see, 8 pilots in the display. There are 10 pilots on the squadron. There's myself, Red 10, former Tornado GR4 pilot, and former qualified flying instructor on the Hawk Team Mark 2. I fly the spare jet everywhere. I also perform photo chasing, which involves the photographer in the back of the aeroplane. We fly around the display, getting those images from a different perspective. And we are also commanded by Officer Commanding Rafat. That is Wing Commander Adam Collins. He's my predecessor as Red 10, former Tornado GR4 pilot, and he's also flown the F-111 while on exchange with the Australian Air Force. The smoke comes on and the team will reverse round to the left for the Apollo presents. On the left-hand side of red 1 is red 3, and that's Flight 10 Tom Hanson. Tom is in his first year in the team, a former Typhoon pilot, and also a former qualified weapons instructor on the Typhoon. He taught all weapons technical information and frontline tactics to the entire Typhoon force. Smoke comes on from red 2 and 3. The entire centre section make their way rearward to sit just behind red 6. We've just had Apollo from the 16th Apollo space missions. Now we've moved to our second space team shape. This is Eagle, representing the Eagle landing craft. You can see red 4 and 5 all the way back at the rear of the formation as red 1 continues to bring them round to the left for the Eagle present. Red 4 and 5 all the way back at that rear of the formation are working extremely hard, looking through the rest of the formation to be able to see red 1. Second of our space sea change, the Royal Air Force now has UK Space Command, as it acknowledges that space plays an important part in all future military operations. Red 4 and 5 smoke comes on as they move their way forward to sit once again behind alongside Red 2 and 3 and Red 7 and 8 on trail. 2023 Royal Air Force celebrates the 80th anniversary of Chastise. This is the world famous mission to take out the dams in the River Valley in World War II, which of course was carried out by 617 of Dam Buster Squadron, who of course continue to fly in today's Royal Air Force. However, this time they fly the latest generation, 5th generation F-35. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your cameras ready for the lightning roll. As the team rolls to the left on the far right-hand side, uppermost is Flight Lieutenant Ollie Suckling. Ollie in his first year on the team, a former Tornado GR4 pilot and qualified flying instructor on the Hawk Team Mark 2. And you may have seen Ollie in previous years flying as part of the North Wales-based White Master pair. His opposite number on the left-hand side is Red 5, that's Flight Lieutenant Patrick Kershaw, known as Paddy. He's in his second year on the team. He was Red 3 from last year, a former Tornado GR4 pilot, and he's also flown the Typhoon on operations with 11 and 12 squadron based at RAF Country in Lincolnshire. The call is made as Red 7 moves to the left and Red 8 moves to the right, putting all the odd numbers on the left hand side or the even numbers on the right hand side as we take the first of our big winged shape. This is Cygnus. Brings the team around to the left with the Cygnus 100%. And you can almost be forgiven thinking his commands are robotic and quite monotone in the way he delivers them. And that's because we play our formation by ear as well as by eye. It means the guys on the outside of the formation are putting their input in just a little bit earlier than the rest of the team before the end of the command by Red 1. This allows the whole formation, as you can see it now moving to the right, to move as one rather than a ripple effect down the wing. The call is made now as the centre section moves forward and Red 7 and 8 sit in on trail on the rest of the formation. For one of the most popular, if not the most popular manoeuvre that we fly in this year's show. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your cameras ready as the red arrows come round to the right, riding the storm. This is the Tornado. Seven, 8, roll, go, the aboard call is made as Red 7 and 8 roll around the rest of the formation at the start of the Tornado. But of course, Red 1 doesn't want to make it too easy for the rest of the team, so watch for the colour change.
There you go.
As he comes round to the right, the red and the blue come on. He bends the formation around to the right, and Red 7 and 8 continue rolling around the rest of the formation. Keep that roll rate rhythm going. And therefore in certain manoeuvres in the show it will be used to enhance those manoeuvres. They're now sat in dagger formation as we come to the end of the first half and move into the second half, which is the high pace, more dynamic, heart pumping, jaw dropping part of the show. The team will now split into two sections. You have Reds 1 through 5 are now known as Enid, named after Enid Blyton's famous 5 on the children's series books. And you have Red 6, 7 and 8 named as Hannah, named after Squad Leader Ray Hannah, one of the first members of the Red Arrows, who took the team from a 7 to a 9 and also was attributed. And also qualified flight under on the Royal Mark 1. Synchro pair now at only 100 feet above the sea. Their closing speed of over 800 miles per hour. They passed within only 100 feet of each other and before a 4-point hesitation roll. Turn call is made as each aircraft now turn away from the display line, pulling hard to 60, aiming back towards the centre post as the synchro pair complete Cyclone. Red 8 runs in at over 450 miles per hour. Blue smoke comes on, and in the distance own individual button on the pilot's control column. And the smoke plan is especially carefully choreographed between red 1 and 6 to ensure that we have the right colour smoke at the right time on display and that we don't run out. As Ian leads to our right hand side, look directly to your front, you've got the synchro pair running back in with red 7 in tango formation on red 6. Clacton, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your cameras ready, get them primed for the world famous, the smoke will come on for the synchro, rolling hard.
Hey, get to the side guys, the vehicle's coming through, watch your toes.
And keep your eyes once again on the synchro pair. We have red 6 off to the right, red 7 off to the left. Once again they'll dive down to only 100 feet above the sea. A closing speed of over 800 miles per hour. They perform a series of opposition barrel rolls towards each other at only 100 feet in a manoeuvre called double roll. In the distance, now you have Enid pulling up with the white smoke on, the colour comes on as red 8 also joins in trail with red 1 as they perform a series of barrels through the sky, leaving a snake-like smoke trail in the sky in the Python. As I said, 10 pilots on the Red Arrows. However, the Red Arrows is not just about the pilots. We have a squadron of over 140 personnel and over 130 of them are crews. They are the engineers, public relations administrators, the IT, and they all come together to ensure that the Red Arrows machine works, and we literally cannot do what we do without their support. Inside includes our 10 individuals who fly in the back of our aircraft in between displays when we cannot take the full engineering complement. And they are known as Circus. One individual is with me at every display is Circus 10, that's Corporal Phil Dye, and he is on the beach in front of the lifeboat station, filming the display for safety and engagement purposes. However, he's also responsible for many of the images across social media taken from the back of my aircraft when we fly around the formation. Once again, the synchro pair running in red 6 off to the right, red 7 off to the left. Running back in over 800 miles per hour, looking to pass each other with only 100 feet. Each aircraft performs a 360-degree aileron roll. Pull jump is the call by red 6 as each aircraft now pull up to 6G, trying to mirror each other. 6G means everything about them is now weighing 5 to 6 times heavier than what you and I are to stand on the shoreline. They've reached heights of over 2,500 feet. They're now inverted 60 degrees nose down, looking to recapture that 100 feet above the sea as they complete the manoeuvre called Boomerang! Look to your front left 45 in the far distance, you can see the smoke on as Ian now as they form into line astern. You have red 1 at the front all the way back to red 5 as red 1 brings them around to left for Helix. All the pilots on the Red Arrows must have over 1,500 fascia hours before they can even apply to join the team and be assessed as above average. They go through a rigorous selection process involving mock medium speed, a formal interview, a flying test, season to become the new pilot for next year. Now have red 2 and 4 moving to the right, red 3 and 5 moving to the left in a shape 4 called Leaders Benefit. And of course 2023 we celebrated the coronation of His Majesty King Charles III, and in honour of that coronation, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your cameras ready, the smoke colour will come on for the Edith Coronation present. The show is still not over as the Edith leads to your right, to your far right hand side, 7 and 8 with red 6, smoking white. He rolls inverted, 7 and 8 roll goes the 4 as red 7 and 8 roll around the smoke of red 6. In corkscrew, red 7 smoking blue is Flight Lieutenant Stu Roberts. Fifth and final year of the team, the former Tornado DR4 pilot, where he flew the gold demo of the Tornado in 2010. And Hannah leads to the left. Look to your right hand side, and you have Edith running back in with the white smoke in trail. 2 and 3 go is the call from red 1 as red 2 and 3, smoking red, roll around the outside of the rest of the formation. Clear go is the call as red 4 and 5 roll around the rest of the formation. In a manoeuvre, which is one of the hardest for our new pilot each year to master, this is the rollback. The motto of the Red Arrows is a class means excellence. And that means everyone from the very bottom of the squadron to the very top is striving for excellence in everything that we do. However, we're also aware that we are guardians of that motto for only 3 to 5 years, and as such, we try to leave the squadron in a better place than where we found it. However, look directly to your front, Hannah formation running back in. 2 and 7 8 roll goes the call as red 7 8 smoke blue roll around red 6. Get your cameras ready for the Hannah Vortex break. To lead the show in a manoeuvre called the crossbow. Comes off from red 1 as he rolls around the rest of the formation, leaving the infinity symbol in the sky for the infinity break. However, Clacton, it's been an honour, it's been a pleasure, but please put your hands together for the 2023 Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team. It's the Red Arrows!